Today we're doing another makeover. We're making this place extra cozy and homey. Also went to the groceries for a fridge stock up and of course to Ikea to buy some furniture. Make sure to stay until the end for a small balcony makeover. Oh my god, you gave me the truffle one. I made this with Kaya last night. We made like a truffle burger and a normal burger. This one's really good. I am back in the Philippines. I'm so excited. Today, I'm finally going grocery shopping. Yeah, girl has been cooking a lot lately, so I want to go to the grocery and buy some produce, meat, fruits, and vegetables. I'm going to Landers, and it's my first time going there, so I'm really excited because I know they have a lot more like variations of products.
Don't believe me, just watch.
I've been really enjoying making my own coffee at home and putting it in this to-go cup so I can bring it in the car and I can have my own coffee. If you're looking for an oat milk to try, you should try this. It is literally so good. I got the barista one. It makes my iced coffee really creamy, so delicious. Grocery OOTD.
We have some. Wow! Stop it.
Dalawa po nito. Dalawa po.
Dalawa.
Thank you. Grocery haul! We just got home and we bought a lot of groceries. I think this will be good for about a month because I wanted to buy a lot so I don't have to go and keep going back and forth to the grocery because it can be quite heavy. Like as a small girl, I can't carry that many stuff. Starting with the drinks, I got this because I tried it last night and I really liked it. It's this flavored carbonated water. I got 2 oat milk and this one's the barista blend. I need it for my matcha and my coffee. They didn't have the so good oat milk, so I just got this. And this one I got because the bottle looked really cute. After I finish everything, I'm gonna use it as my water bottle. I've never seen this before, so I wanted to try it out. White chocolate covered Oreos. Actually, Kyle was the one who wanted to get this. I love to freeze this and have frozen Yakult. Also got popcorners. I love the white cheddar version, but they didn't have it there, so I just got this. Also got a lot of meat. Salmon. I'm gonna make my easy salmon recipe with this. it slowly.
Hey.
Nice! I just got a new roommate and she's the most adorable creature ever. I'm obsessed with her. I've actually been wanting to get a pet. Working from home can be a bit lonely sometimes because I usually work here alone. I got Ming Ming a few days ago and I'm babysitting her. She crumb. Hello, what are you doing here? Get out of my workspace, Ming Ming.
I'm not sure I understand.
You're so cute. The day has finally arrived. You guys have no idea how long I've been wanting to do a balcony makeover. I feel like one of the non-negotiables, like for me when it comes to finding an apartment or like living in an apartment, is having a balcony with a nice view. Because I work from home, so I'm usually at home most of the time. And I need quick access to the outside world. Having a balcony is just really helpful for my mental health and for me to be able to take a breather when I'm getting really stressed. I actually went to Ikea a few days ago and I'm gonna show you guys how the trip went because I got so many cute things from Ikea. I feel like it wouldn't be a makeover without an Ikea trip. I don't know how to do it anymore.
Meatless meatballs.
Sure, going back.
Pretty tasty.
Thank you. Would you switch with me?
That is not my thing.
You don't like it?
Saksak. I like my food better. I don't know.
This is so nice.
It's not a rocking chair, don't do that.
So I'm debating if I should get something like this, like the steel material, or wood. Another contestant, but I'm not sure if this is gonna fit because it's a bit bulky. Oh my god, Kyle, I found your sibling. I don't have a makeup desk right now, so I'm thinking of getting a drawer or like something like this so I can do my makeup anywhere. I found this baby pink utility card and it's new. I'm thinking of getting this instead of the white one, just for like a pop of color. I need want to buy a pillowcase because I burnt my pillowcase when I was lighting my candle. Which one? This is cute. I wonder if you can hang this on the wall as like a wall decor. It's like a donut.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm sick. And she dragged me here.
Hey, I was asking you a while ago if you wanted to come.
Against my will. She used all her cute tactics. Just kidding, I'm good.
I found pink candles. I'm gonna get this. I like the color, but the table's not here. I give up. You do it. Before we do the balcony transformation, I want to show you guys what I got from Ikea. I'm going to show you guys my favorite item. Let's start with this cherry blossom branch. If you watched my first ever apartment transformation video, I really wanted to have like a cherry blossoms painting here in the living room, but my sister's not yet finished painting that for me, so I'm just gonna have to stick with this. It just reminds me of Japan. Spring in Japan is the best season ever. It's actually quite long, so I had to fold it. This is from Chelsea and Bianca. They got this for me when they first visited my apartment. I'm so happy with this purchase. You guys have no idea how excited I am when I found this. Next item I got is another artificial plant. I've been wanting orchids, like real orchids, but I don't trust myself in taking care of them because look what happened to my parlor palm. I don't know what happened. It was so lush and beautiful when I got it, but one day I woke up and it started like dying. I don't know how to revive it. While I was looking through the plant section, I also found this bamboo pot to go with my orchids, and it fits perfectly. Like, look at this. It looks so nice together. Most of my furniture are quite light. I really want to balance it out. I want it to be homey, to be cozy, so I needed a touch of wood. One of the things that can make your place extra special is by doing DIYs. It gives you this sense of fulfillment knowing that you made that thing all by yourself because it's unique, it's special, and it's made by you. I got this white frame from Ikea because I've been wanting to make my own poster for my kitchen. If you're like me and you don't know how to use Photoshop, but you want to make your own posters, your own designs, I think you're gonna like this platform that I'm currently using right now. It's called Kittle. It's like a one-stop shop design software. So everything you need is in one place. They have a bunch of templates which you can use to create your own posters, t-shirts, cards, and even stickers. I remember back in college, a classmate of mine was selling laptop stickers, like cute ones with dogs on them. And lots of people were actually buying them. So this can be a pretty good side hustle to sell it to your friends or online. This is the poster that I made. I actually started this one from scratch and it took me around 30 minutes. It was really easy to create because there's a lot of illustrations, fonts, photos, and icons to pick from in Kittle. There's also an option to upload your own photos. First off, I chose my background. So I went for this like beige background, and then I wanted this Mon Chéri text. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. It means sweetheart in French. I love that I can transform the text easily. There's a ton of options here. I can make it go sideways, I can make it like wavy. I just looked for a cherry illustration. They have a bunch of designs here for that. Overall, I'm really happy with the poster that I made and I really want to create more. I think my next project would be like an affirmations poster with my vision board on it just so I can see it every day and feel inspired. And I'm so happy that I finally found a design platform that I can use to make more posters with, because I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, but I'm not good with like all those Photoshop things. Like I don't have enough time to learn it step by step, and Kittle just makes it so easy for me to create what I want. If you guys want to try it out, you can sign up for free using the link in the description box. Surprise, surprise! She got another plant, and this one's a live plant. I picked this one because it only needs to be watered once a week or like once every 2 weeks, which is perfect. Very low maintenance. Also got this terracotta pot. They actually had 2 versions of this. The other one was so much fluffier, but it was so expensive. I think it was around 5,000 pesos for like the more fluffy kind. So I decided to get this instead. Picked up this beige rug for the balcony. Now that we're making over the balcony, I feel like we're gonna have more wine nights in the balcony. So I got 2 wine glasses, and I love that they're kind of big. Also picked up this glass pitcher just so I can have cold water, and with this, it actually has like a wide opening so I can put lemon, cucumber, make some pretty water. I think I just found the cutest candle ever. Like, look at this. I love the curves, and it came in this pastel pink glass container. Also got this pink blanket. I'm gonna put this in the balcony just when it gets chilly at night. I'm gonna start by wiping the floor and cleaning up before adding in any furniture.
Oh my God. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I came to someday find that vintage love.
Put cordyceps for extra boost of energy.
What a weirdo.